The Eiffel Tower is a wrought iron tower that stands 1,063 feet 324 meters tall. It was designed for the Exposition Universelle, a world fair held in Paris in 1889. It is currently the most famous symbol of Paris. The Eiffel Tower, designed by Gustave Eiffel, marked a clear departure from the Neo-Gothic, Neo-Renaissance, and Neo-Baroque styles that were prevalent in the 18th and 19th centuries. The tower is an open-lattice iron structure with 4 massive arched legs. It is set on masonry columns that curve inward and meet in a single, tapered tower. Each pier rests on 4 concrete slabs. The tower is made of 18,000 pieces accurate to 1/10 of millimeters that has been joined together by 2,500,000 rivets. Each and every piece used in the tower was manufactured especially for it in Eiffel's factory located at Levallois-Perret on the outskirts of Paris. Currently, the Eiffel Tower is the most visited monument in the world with over 7 million visitors a year. This is partly due to the popularity of Paris as a tourist destination. If it's your first time in Paris, going up the Eiffel Tower is a must. The best moment to enjoy the breathtaking views of Paris is early in the morning to avoid the lines, or at dusk, when visitors will see Paris lit up.